This time we're supposed to find x-intercept and the slope of the given line. Please notice that on the board we have written general form of the equation of a straight line. In order to find the slope, we're supposed to convert this general form to slope-intercept form. Means we have to solve this equation for y. In order to do so, we're supposed to move -1 to right side of the equal sign and 7x also to the right side of the equation. And we're going to have 2y equals -7x plus 1. We have to solve this equation for y. So in order to find y, I have to divide both sides of the equation by 2. And I'm going to have y is equal -7 over 2x plus 1/2. Let me remind you that the slope-intercept form looks like this. Y is equal mx plus b, where m represents slope, b is y-intercept. So this is my m, and b is my y-intercept. I'm looking for slope, and we found already slope. M equals -7 over 2, and I'm looking for x-intercept. This is my y-intercept. I'm looking for x-intercept. Let me remind you that anytime we talk about x-intercept, we talk about the point which is placed on x-axis and has coordinates x and y is always equal 0, where x can be any real number. Y coordinate is always equal 0. In order to find x coordinate, we're supposed to take the general form or slope-intercept form and calculate x by substituting y's by 0. We are going to take, for example, the general form. So I have 7x plus 2y minus 1 is equal 0. We said that y is equal 0. That's why I'm going to have 7x plus 2 times 0 minus 1 is equal 0. So I have 7x, 2 times 0 is equal 0, minus 1 is equal 0. We have to solve this equation for x. So move -1 to right side, and we're going to have 7x is equal 1. In order to find x, we're supposed to divide both sides of the equation by 7. 7 and 7 will cancel out and have x is equal 1/7. So my x-intercept is equal 1/7. In other words, this is the point with coordinates 1, 7, 0. And this is the solution to my problem.